ready.
Come here.
Don't prank me. Don't prank me. What's that?
Why would we prank you?
I don't know.
No! Where did you get these? Oh my gosh. I was there. Why we didn't buy this yesterday? What are you?
I don't know. Why didn't we buy it yesterday?
I don't know. Is this?
Is it brand new? Yes.
This is not the brand we saw yesterday.
No, I said that one wasn't good. This is better brand.
Really?
I told you I already did the research.
Did you buy this online? Or you got this somewhere there?
If I told you ahead of time, it would have ruined the surprise.
Well, because I was like thinking about this one, like, oh gosh. We ate the fries earlier and what? Is it crispy? No. So Manny says like with air fryer, it will be more crispy. Thank you. Can I open this?
They almost ruined it. I walked in, they both went, air fryer! I'm like,
Really?
you're going to ruin the surprise. So,
And they're also like, because,
you heard them.
no,
No, okay.
I
I
was-
thought maybe you didn't hear them because you were in the closet.
I didn't hear them. I was focusing on like looking at stuff there, putting it aside. So I didn't even know that you're coming until you like put stuff in the bed.
Mm.
Thank you, air fryer. We've been talking about this when we were in the Philippines. Like, oh, I think air
I
fryer.
said after you were there.
Now the thing
There
that
was
we
no
have.
point in buying
Can
an
I
air
open
fryer
this?
and bringing it there. Sure.
I didn't even comb my hair. Ah, goodness, I look like I'm 60 years old.
Ah.
Ay, she was like, oh. She was like,
Wow.
oh. It's way convenient than oven because in oven, like, the heat ba?
Well, it's quicker.
Yeah, it's quicker too.
May carbon.
Kumoy handle.
Tayo.
Wow, massive.
Oh my.
Yes, it's massive.
Isunod sa ka.
Yay, we've got air fryer. We can have like fries and it's very crispy na. Oh, eh. Mura din pa itong air fryer kay para pang crispy na. Hala, babe, it's nice.
Where are you cup?
Do you like the color?
Great.
Yeah.
Be careful, nak.
Mushag cup.
Mura siya cup. I'm so excited. I was like, can I reuse this tonight?
Yeah, why not?
How to open?
It's more like family of four.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. If you have bigger family, you need bigger air fryer.
Oh my goodness, nice siya, uy. Oh, yeah, we can put it here. I think. What is like?
Yeah, put it there.
Ay, cute. Malagyahat man eh. What's the ano? Like before you use it, what's the thing?
I'm sure there are parts you'll have to wash it.
Thank you naman sa air fryer natin.
Mana.
Perfect, may guys siya. We're going to walk again because we missed a day of walking. Oh gosh. Let's do unboxing. Meron akong na-receive from Macy's. Tama ba to? Oh my gosh, na-remember ko to guys. Ma'am, Grace Dr. Channel sent me. Oh my goodness. Ayan na naman tayo. Baka sabihin ng ibang tao, Jenny, namimihasa ka na. Actually, we had conversation kasi. She was asking me, Jenny, do you have any perfume na gusto? And then came up to my mind na I've been like looking this cologne for a long time, but for me, I don't like to spend money. That's because it's expensive. She told me like, hey, don't be shy or just tell me what it is because I can like give it to you. So, nahiya na naman ako, guys. If you guys remember that I was unboxing, I was doing unboxing of the grocery items, Filipino grocery items that she sent me. That also sent me Victoria's Secret robe and pajamas. Eh, sobrang hiya ko na talaga. Pero lagi talaga siyang nag-message sa akin, Jenny, it's okay, it's okay. And I was like, Mom, dami mo nang binigay sa akin. So anyway, guys, if you have social medias, ito na lang talaga yung magagawa ko for her. And please follow her. She's really the most generous subscriber I have. I mean it, like, she's not really asking for anything in return, but she does have social media. She is doing so many charities work, like helping other people, Filipinos, not just Filipinos like me, but she's also like traveling different countries to do charities. I can really tell how genuine she is, and she's really like very amazing woman. So let's unbox this first. This is what she gave me. So I know that you wanted to know what it was, but yeah, she is sending me Jo Malone cologne. And you know, Jo Malone is one of the perfume or cologne that celebrities are using. Dream ko lang siya, guys, kasi nga hindi nga ako makapagbili ng ganito. Mahal siya. In my standard, Bambini lang yung kaya ko. Bambini cologne. And ano pa yung mga tag 50 pesos tong mga kabataan natin. Bambini, yung mga, ano ba yung mga cologne natin noon, ha? Kami niya na pong nabigay sa akin. Ever since I was in the Philippines. So, thank you very much, Madam Juris. Oh, grabe ang iyong pagkaano, nakatay talaga, besh. Oh, well, actually, I wanna give you a little trivia. She was actually trying to send this to me before, but when she ordered it line, yung di siya magde-deliver, yung courier doon, hindi nagde-deliver sa PO box, but she really find ways how to deliver it to my PO box. That's why she ordered it in massive. Ano siyang laman sa loob? I think it's a card. Babasahin ko yan late lang, ha? Kasi open natin to, guys. Goodie bag. Ano to? May pakapin. Clinique. Jen. Uy, na siya ano? Look! Hindi siya pakapin, guys. Hindi naman talaga, wala talaga akong planong mag-vlog today. Oh my God. Hala, o pag-ayin ako na-open, nanimaho na. Excited. Hala, umuta ni, uy. It's brand, if you guys are like a girl like me, bahala na akong nawang, I don't care. But yeah, this one, oh, tingnan nyo yan. This is the brand. Ang bango! To be honest, why I said, or I really told her about this one. Do I deserve all the things that you gave me? Kasi hindi ko pa talaga siya na-meet in person. I haven't meet her in person, and honestly, nakakatuwa. It feels so good that there are people who's really genuine. Carter, sa may perfume po. Tagahanap kong sample, ani madam. Napailain, guys. Oh my God. May lag na siya kung ano. Hala, uy, ko. Ayun. Meron namang Jo Malone na sample. Peony and Blush. What's this one? Irresistible Givenchy. Tama ba yun? Givenchy? Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko, guys? Pasagdain ako sa pronunciation, ha? Kaya I'm not English person, but yeah. Yan po. Another one na Libre. YSL. And then this one, Cartier. Ayan, guys. Mascara base. Cute. Oh, pang travel size. YSL na lip care. Cute kayo. Travel size. Tingnan nyo naman yun, guys. Oh. Dream ko lang to. I'm telling you, guys. Naiyak na naman ako. I wasn't expecting this. Jo Malone. So, I have Peony and Blush. Try natin si Jo Malone. Mabango. Mabango siya. Ay, humot. Yan po yung nakalagay sa card. Yung camera natin. Mag-follow ka, camera kay. Yan po yung nakalagay sa kanyang card. Keeping all of those cards. Kasi it was something that I really cherish. Knowing that there are people who think about me and my family. It means so much.
253 and dito na yung aming dining table.
These people are from that furniture that I cannot remember. This is nice.
You want me to lay it flush on the ground or against the wall?
On the ground.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some blocks.
All right. Well, I thank you for asking. Normally it would never bother me, but I can't vouch for anyone else. So.
Right.
For 6 chairs.
I'll just leave this out of the way. Yeah, please.
Yeah, it's a hot one today.
It is.
Very.
I need a pool.
Don't we all?
Is there any paperwork to do?
I just got to do a little signature on this thing. I wish it was still paper.
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. Receipt email. One of these days. We'll reach it in the Senate.
All right. Awesome.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Y'all have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
All right.
Kali, where's the dog?
In the backyard.
Kami pala mag-assemble ng aming table, guys. Nag-deliver lang sila. Deliver lang nila to. Like, 6 chairs. Ito yung color, by the way. Para siyang, oh, tama talaga. It's perfect for our, wall. The darker version. Maganda. See? 6. And then may fabric sa, sa upuan. Siya daw mag-assemble. Tingnan natin. Hindi pa to healed. Ito mag-assemble na naman tayo.
Trash can. All right, go let the dog in, please.
You can just do this.
Yan yung na-fold or na-hide ba para magiging small yung table. Pero na-extend siya para mahaba. Kaso tingnan nyo naman yung dining area naman, guys. Maliit lang yung dining area namin. So, we just needed dining table na hindi ganun kalaki. So, yeah, symbol.
I need a screwdriver.
So, lalagay lang namin yung mga legs. And then, assembled na to eh. Itong sa sa gitna. Assembled na siya. Legs na lang i-assembled namin. And then, tayo namin siya. And then, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano siya magiging extend. Right now, ganyan yung size lang niya. Ito yung size niya. Pero pag i-extend siya, hahaba siya, guys.
Alright, 2, 3. Look at the clock. Table's too big. Well, I did say.
Kids can eat there.
Good morning! Happy Sunday! You can sit here. Why you don't like to use our new table? Dining? Mahugaw. It's Sunday. My husband is making something. May dadalhin kami sa church today, guys. Yan. Ano siya? Ano bang tawag nito? I forgot. How do you call this?
What?
Tortillas? How do you call the food?
On a breakfast burrito.
Breakfast burrito. Sa Sunday school. Oh, so yung atasan, guys. So siya gumawa ng food.
Everybody takes turns bringing food.
Yeah. So like every time we go to Sunday school or like groups of like women, men, couples make food there all the time, and then naka-schedule yung sino magdala ng food today. So today siya yung naka-schedule, so that's why we are preparing this food. Hindi kami makapag church in the morning, like the service in the morning. We will attend lang sa hapon na lang, guys, kasi hindi namin kaya like making this food, and then kasi yung church nag-start na almost 9 in the morning na. So mamayang hapon na lang na service yung atin na namin. Then we will go first to Sunday school or like group thing. And then hindi ko pala tinapos. I didn't finish the vlog yesterday about the unboxing and installing this table. May nangyari. I mean, like, I really love this table so much. Pero guys, when we try to extend this table, may sira pala siya. It was broken. So Belle tried to contact the furniture row, and they says they're going to like send us a replacement for this table within like maybe 2 weeks. But they are so nice, by the way. Very good customer service. They are so nice. They let us know like you can still use that table, just like minimize ba or do not use the, kasi extendable nga siya, diba? So pinapabalik niya sa amin na para di matouch yung nasira sa center, which is ito yung ginamit namin today. See, bagong table. And then kasi finally, like I think I said this to you before na yung table namin around, hindi kasi siya kompleto, walang complete chair. 3 chair lang yan, guys. But this time we have 6 chairs. And this is really the dining table that I really like think about. Like I wanted something gray. Darker gray. Kasi sobrang clean niya tingnan. I didn't know that you're really a good cook, babe. Sobrang messy! Guys, if you notice.
You still didn't know after all these years.
He's really a good cook. Ala, may ngon sila gyander ni ba na ha? No, I'm not. He's just so perfectionist.
Okay. And
Nothing wrong about it. Anyway, so we are working on our cabinet. But if you see, nagbuksan yung mga cabinet kasi nilabas namin yung door, guys, because we need to like clean it, sand it, and then paint it. So this time, kaya kitang-kita nyo yan. But yeah, after this, it will be like perfect. So right now, ang dami namin mga nilabas na gamit. That's because kailangan namin i-clean. Yan, i-sand namin yan para makapag-paint din tayo, guys. And this one also, and that one. So, matapos na kami sa aming kitchen. Para flooring na lang dayon. And then yung countertop, yung ating, hindi ko alam kung ano plano namin sa countertop. But yeah, we decided to like just use the ultra white color like this one. Before kasi naisipan namin, maybe we have to use like something green. Kasi yung kulay ng tiles dito, may pagka-green. But then, sabi ko, white na lang. Uy, para malinis. So, white yung gagamitin natin. Well, maybe because I'm very relieved that I'm not working. I'm just a housewife.
you find out very quickly that being late here will get you fired. You do it too many
Well, I think I'm sure if I'm like working, I will be like gonna be more present. You can even like put the cheese there na lang. Ay, minutes. Look. Hi Ashley, we're just done church guys. Tapos na kami. Hi Nicole girl. Oh, nadagma. Oh, diba nakapag-church din kami guys. We're still sick. We are here. What? That's for the November. What? How do you call that one? November? Horror? Ano yung November? Halloween. So we are here to get yeah. When we are done with our deck, I'll get one like this or whatever convenient. Anyway, I'm here to get a box kasi malayo ako sa LBC guys. So we plan on sending my parents something and I need a box, empty box kasi yung sa LBC nga sabi ko, Houston lang yung pinakamalapit. And my gosh, malayo yun from here. So and then I already called them and they says it's fine if we're gonna use something else na box as long as binigyan naman niya ako ng ano size. So yeah. Asa ba yung dalawa? They're roaming around. You can come out. Snow cones. Okay. Nakalabas na kami ano guys, loose. You want guys? Was this like a very famous here in the US? Snow cone. Hindi ko nga ito alam. I don't know this.
Yeah, snow cones have been around forever.
So it's just an ice cream.
When I was a kid, I mean, yeah.
Sa labas ng Lowe's. What did you get?
Mango and blue cotton candy.
Oh, cotton candy yours? Right, there you go. Nico's mango and cotton candy. Try. Lami?
They've
Yummy?
only been in the U.S. 2 months, so. And we drove by and I saw, oh, snow cones. I've never had a snow cone.
Yeah.
Ano sa Philippines? Kung di ka ma-homemade.
Thank you.
All right.
Grabe, double. How does it taste? Tell me.
Good.
Good. How does it taste?
Oh, where to put?
Huh? How does it taste, Nicole? Lami. Yung bukol na ang...
That's fine. Let's not go. Let's do close.
Nakuha na siya po.
Oh, isang buhok na. Ay nako, sobrang init po. Grabe. Well, it's 89 Fahrenheit, but it's so hot. Oh my goodness. Grabe ang init. Okay, ito na talaga yun. El Nino in Texas. Like yung ground, the ground at the back of our yard, it's cracking already. It's very hot. Sorry, Sonic, I'm rejecting you because I am on diet now. We are home from the church, guys. And we have so much, like when I say so much, a lot of things to do, especially in the kitchen side. So, this is what I wear. In the church earlier, hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado because before we left, kasi nga nagluluto kami, wrapping, preparing everything. Grabe. Ayaw nun malate sa church. So, nagmamadali kami. So, I couldn't be able to do more. But anyway, yeah. And, this is a dress that I got from Goodwill. Tama ba? Goodwill ko to nabili, guys. Nung nagpunta kami ni Belle, if you remember, did I make a video about that one? No, I didn't make a video. But yeah, $10? Hindi ako sure. $10 yung bili. Para something $10. In case of. And then, meron tong brand eh. Nakalimutan ko lang bara. Pero yeah, it has a brand. What do you want to say, Nicole?
Ako nila.
Ano yung dila? Nag-color orange. So, here's our new table from far. Looking from far. So, yan yung magiging, yung table na pag close siya, guys, or should I say, pag hindi siya na-extend. Still malaki. For us, like, pag na-extend siya, pwede siya mag-occupy ng 6. Actually, can occupy 8 people if extended. But, yeah, we just needed, like, you know, table, like, the 4 of us lang naman. But if we have, like, visitors, we can extend. But like I said earlier, like, we are, like, waiting for replacement of this kasi sira siya. May sira siya sa kanyang extended part. May part dyan sa ilalim na buak, na broken. But yeah, I'm so very happy. He was like asking me yesterday, are you now glad that we have new table? Yes, of course. Kasi ilang beses na kaming pupunta ng furniture and I was really like thinking, sana meron tayong bagong dining table. Yung food na natira today, I'm so happy kasi 6 na lang yung natira. 6 na burrito na lang yung natira, guys. So marami itong ginawa namin. I think around almost 40 pieces yung ginawa namin. So may natirang 6, which is okay lang kasi makakain din naman. I mean, like, we can eat this. Just reheat and eat. Especially Belle. Mas happy siya sa ganitong food. Yun pala, wala pala kaming bili na empty box sa Lowe's kasi wala sila nung size na kailangan ko. And then, kasi yung sinabi ng LBC na extra large na box is 24 by 18 by 24 na size. So, since it's Sunday today, sabi ni Belle, yung suggestion kasi natawagan ko rin yung LBC sa Houston. Ang sabi niya, like, mas maganda kung bibili ka ng box sa U-Haul. And sabi ni Belle, hindi sila open by weekends. Open lang sila like Monday to Friday. So, tomorrow we can get that empty box para makapag-start na tayong filling in the box. Para punta kaming Houston for that. And then, kasi alis si Belle to Las Vegas. Hindi pala kami kasama sa Las Vegas, guys. Kasi nga, pasok ng kids. Hindi ako kasama. Hindi kasama yung mga kids. So, siya lang. Pero, ano lang siya doon? I think, 1 night? 1 night and 2 days lang ata siya doon. I think. So, mabilis lang siya. Yun lang talaga yung aatenan niya. And then, balik siya sa bahay. Bumili siya ng ganito. Sinabi niya to kanina. Kasi kailangan namin isand yung cover ng cabinet. And then this one, ano ba to? Electric something ba? Electric. Isasand namin siya para makapag-start na kaming lagay ng primer and then pintal, white paint, the ultra white paint. And then para malinis na yung ating kitchen. Kasi sobrang, kung alam nyo lang, sobrang messy talaga right now. But like again, kasi we are working on it. That's why it's messy. But when we're done, like done, all good. I just changed my clothes. Did I remove my earrings? So, okay. Remove my earrings. I always do that whenever I have to do something. So yeah, that's why I'm not wearing my ring now. I'm gonna not unboxing because it's just a parcel. You know what's funny about, like, if I'm gonna purchase something, like for example, if I'm gonna get something and I use my PO box, our PO box, Belle and I's PO box. Like, yung bulto yung dadating na item, guys. But if you're using your home address, tig-isa yung dumating. Like, bakit isa-isa? Like, nag-order ako ng sabay sa Shein ba? Nag-order ako sabay sa Shein. Like, I think, 5. Isa-isa dumating. So, anyway, ito yung binili ko. Kasi, alam nyo, hindi na naman tayo ng para tayong mga, wow! This is, vacation bag. Beach bag, kung tawagin. So, meron akong beach bag, pero, ang bilis kong magsawa. Meron akong beach bag na dala. Malaki siya. But this one, nakita ko kasi, and then, like, there are so many, like, amazing review about it. Like, ang dami po talagang nag-review ba na maganda siya, maganda. And then, I seen pictures. Hala, nice. Ito. This one. Look. This bag. Oh. Ooh. Guys. So, if ever we go to the beach, pwede ko na itong dalhin. Kasyang-kasya yung camera, yung phone, whatsoever I need. O nga, kasya yung camera, yung phone. So, ito lang yung kailangan. Look, maganda siya talaga. I think, I'm not sure if this is handmade. I think not machine-made. But, like, ganito siya, oh. So, pag naka-dress ka, naka-beach hat. So, ganito yung magiging bag mo when you go to the beach. Yan. Then, Paris. Yung detail. So, yung kulay pala nito is khaki, but it looks brown to me. Gaan ra kay siya, as in gaan. Perfect!
out at 7 p.m.
7 p.m. It's hot. Yeah, sanding all the door for our cabinet. The rest of the cabinet that we are working on. Oh, that's better. Alright, we are done putting, like I said guys, first layer of the primer. Charan, charan. Ayan, oh, primer na yan guys. Naka-primer na yan. So, sabi ni Belle, 3 hours pa before namin lalagyan ulit. Or, before ko lalagyan ulit. Kaso, what time is it? 8 na. Matulog na po. Tulog sa ako. Ay, tomorrow ko na to tapusin talaga. Sabi niya, 3 layer of primer before kami mag-paint. Or magamit kami ng paint. Yung white talaga. I'm so excited guys. Tapusin natin to para matapos na tong kitchen. Flooring na lang yung last sa part na to. So, I'm so excited.